Hello and welcome back to this video tutorial series on using Spaza Commerce. In this video, we are going to be discussing the coupons and discounts section in your admin control panel. So as always, if you haven't signed in yet, head on over to www.spaza.co and choose the store that you'd like to work on today. And then just go ahead and click on the coupons link here in your admin control panel navigation drawer. If you've missed any of the other videos in the series, definitely go check them out just so that you know exactly what's going on and you can see everything that we've done so far in setting up our demo store. Now, the coupon system is itself a very, very simple system to understand as well. So another really short video for this video in this section. And as soon as you land on the coupons page, you'll see you have two sections on this page, one for adding a new coupon and the second section for any coupons that have already been issued. So as you can see, we don't have any coupons issued yet. Makes perfect sense. So let's go and see how to add some to our system. So in the first section here on adding a new coupon, we first choose something called the discount type. If I just click on that and expand it really quick, you can see there we have two discount types. So we can apply a discount for this coupon on a fixed amount or a percentage amount. So this basically means if you'd like to give a fixed amount discount, say for example exactly 50 Rand discount on this coupon, then you're going to choose the fixed amount type. If you'd like to just give your customers a percentage based discount, so say for example 15% off this purchase, then you choose that one. So for the purposes of this demo, I'm actually going to choose fixed amount because I'd like to give 50 Rand off to the customer that uses this coupon. So I'm just going to fill in then 50 Rand for the discount amount. And then we get an option here for minimum spend. So this basically means for everyone who uses this coupon who wants to get 50 Rand off their order, they need to spend a minimum of, let's say, 250 Rand. So that will obviously enforce that rule so that, you know, if they're trying to then use this discount of 50 Rand on an order that's less than 250, that actually won't go through at all. So that's actually pretty straightforward. So once we've filled in all three of those, let's just click add a coupon. And you know what? I'm actually going to add a second one just so that I can demo both of these because I'm actually quite excited to see how the other one works as well. So let's add another one really quick just to run through that. In the discount type, I'm actually going to choose a percentage amount this time. The discount amount, I'm going to say 20%. In this case, this is going to be a percent amount. So I'm going to offer 20% off any spend that's 100 Rand or more. Okay, so let's fill those three in and add it again. And now you'll see we've actually got our two coupons added here for us. So you can see the first one, we've got a discount amount of 50 Rand on any spend of 250 Rand or more. And then we have another one, which is a percentage-based discount of 20% on a spend of 100 Rand or more. Now you can see in the second to last column under used, you see that these actually haven't been used yet, obviously because we've just created them. So how do we then send these to our customers? Well, really easy. We just need to click on the send option over here, and that will come up with a nice modal for us to then specify a recipient name. So I'm just going to put my name in there, and the email is just info@spaza.co, so I can actually just demo this for you guys. And I'm just going to then click send coupon. That will then send this coupon to the customer automatically. And let's actually go ahead and see that in the mailbox. So we'll go on over to my inbox, and then you can see over there I've already received this coupon. So I just click on that. Coupon has been sent to you. Below you'll find your coupon code for 50 Rand discounts on your store for any purchase of 250 Rand or more. And there's the code, and you can see that's obviously the same code that is in our system over here. So that's brilliant. Okay, so our customer has received that. So where would our customers actually fill in these coupons? Well, to have a look at that, we're going to head on over to the store itself. Now, you remember that to get to your store, you're just going to click on visit your store over here. I've actually already got it open, so I'm just going to click on that tab, and you can see I've already got something in the cart, which is actually quite convenient. So let's just click on view cart, and on the cart page, you'll see over here there is actually a field for your customers to fill in their coupons. So that's fantastic. That actually is all we need to discuss on the coupon section. I hope that did make sense. But as always, please do add any comments or questions you might have to the comment section below this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.